Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane, insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided that I want to start recreating looks. So a couple of videos in the near future will be recreation videos. Now I try my best to know who the person is or whatever, but this first person that I'm gonna recreate, I honestly don't know her name. I found her picture on the makeup group, on the Facebook makeup group. So the first girl is gonna be her. I don't know her name or anything. If anybody knows who she is, please tag her so I could give her credit. But I absolutely love her makeup. So if you're interested in this type of video, I always say that type of video. If you're interested in this type of video of me recreating a look, then go ahead and keep watching. And before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I do apologize if you are new. Welcome to my channel. If you're original diamond, hey boo, I see you. So let's go ahead and get into the look. So with this type of look that she's doing, I don't know exactly what she used. So I will be using my Sephora Pro palette that I just got in the Sephora VIB sale. And I also will be using my Coastal Scents 252 Ultimate palette. Y'all would like a updated brow tutorial, let me know, because I seen on that same makeup group that a girl started using the yellow corrector concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I actually tried it today. And y'all, if y'all would like a updated brow tutorial using the yellow corrector, let me know down below. And if there is anybody that you would like to see me recreate a look on, go ahead and put their name down in the comment. Okay, it looks like her brow bone is highlighted with a tan color and maybe some gold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my eyebrows. Okay, it's a little shimmery, but it's a tan color. So I'm gonna set my eyebrow with that with a fluffy brush so that I could go over it with a real pigmented gold like color. So I need my trusty dusty Anastasia mirror. Okay, this is already like a champagne gold color, so I may not have to put gold on my eyebrows because it looks like she's highlighted. And the reason why I use a fluffy brush is because it doesn't look like a precise brow bone color. It's like a blown out brow bone color. So I used a fluffy brush, but her brow bone is almost goldish, and I don't think I'm gonna have to use I don't think I'm gonna have to use another color. But I am gonna go into this yellow, and I think I want to use this yellow. I don't know. don't know if y'all could tell, but I can't tell if that is green and brown, or is it just green? So I'm gonna do mainly green and warm up the edges with a little bit of brown. So I'm gonna try this green here, and if it's not as loud and pigmented as I want it, I'm gonna go in with this green here. Okay, so I'm gonna take that little darker green and go on the outer V, on the outer portion of my eye, and kind of blend it in together. But I'm gonna go blend out the edges of this green and the yellow and kind of marry it together. And if you all are wondering, I am wearing Elixir Green Contacts by A.MaRee Beauty. And I did a whole video on that, and it should be up on my channel already. So I'll link it down below if you would like to get information on it. Right, so at the end of her brow, at the end of her eye look, it kind of looks like a shimmery purple, but then again it looks like a matte. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna start off with a dark matte purple, work my way into a shimmer purple, and then work my way into this green and yellow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this dark purple right here and start that on the outer V, and I'm gonna use my Morphe 433 brush. So now it's time to go in with a lighter purple, and it's almost like a shimmery shade, so you're not gonna put too much, but I think I'm gonna go in with this shimmer purple right here with the same MAC 217 brush. This yellow and put it right in the beginning of my eye. Just trust the process and you should be fine. Oh, I'm gonna do my liner, lashes, and my face, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do the highlight and the lips together. Yeah. So I'll be back in a second. I want to say thank you for watching this video. I think I did very good in recreating this look, but I think I did pretty good. You guys be the judgment down below in the comments and let me know how I did. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget the notification bell so you won't miss another video from me. And until the next tutorial, diamonds, I'll see you guys later.